Chris from the Barbecue Shack. Today we're going to go through the Flamery Asado Grill. So the example we've got on display in the shop is the smaller version on the trolley. So available in two sizes, small and large. The large is 24 centimeters wider. Then got three options. So as I said, this is the trolley. So you've got four independent casters, so it's very easy to maneuver. You've then got the stand, which is literally four legs, which holds it in place. You've then got the built-in version, which is basically from here up. As I said, that's all three are available in small and large. Okay, let's go through the internals of this Flamery. So over here we've got the firebox. This is where your magic happens. And over here we've got the Asado grill itself. So the firebox. In here is where you create your fire. Ideally using wood, but no reason why you couldn't use charcoal. Once your fire starts to die down and the embers are produced, you get your rake, which comes with every grill, and you rake over your embers to go directly underneath the Asado. Sticking with the firebox, it also comes with this grate, so you can cook directly over your fire. Fantastic for searing your steaks. The Asado is fully adjustable, so you can get it high and further away from your embers, or you can lower it right down where you want to get really close to your embers again for searing and getting that decent colour on your burgers and sausages. This is all about the theatre of fire. So there's a lot more you can do with it, which we're going to go through in a minute. Okay, I'm going to try and go through the many options that are available with Flamery. So you can have this as one full grill. Your next option is, as we see it here, firebox grill. Your next option is no firebox and split grill. The idea is you make your own fire under one of the split grills. You scrape over the embers into the other one as and when you need to. You've then got a split grill and firebox, but in fairness, that's only available on the large, which, as I said earlier, is 24 centimeters wider, so it does give you that option to have a good split grill and the firebox. Then you've obviously got the three that we mentioned earlier, which is built-in, trolley and stand. So there are a lot of options, so we can tailor it to exactly how you like it. Best thing to do obviously is to come in, see us, and we can go through all the options with you. Okay, let's go through a few of the accessories available for the Flamery. So the first piece is a full plancher plate. First thing to say, it's much flatter. So it means that your eggs won't start running off. This again can be lowered to get closer to your flame, giving you the options and the ability to cook your breakfast first thing in the morning. You've also got an accessory that gives you the ability to make you smash burgers at night. Okay, going back to the original grill. Cool. Thank you. You've also got the option of a skewer set. Obviously for getting your kebabs on the go. Next piece, which I quite like, which I don't actually have an example of. What you're able to do, get that as low as you can get it, but still have enough room for a fire. Put a pizza stone directly on top of that. Lower your very heavy lid, and then you have the ability to cook pizzas on your Flamery. Now don't get me wrong, it isn't going to cook pizzas as well as a genuine pizza oven, but nonetheless this gives you the option of cooking a very good pizza on your Flamery. Okay, the final accessory to discuss is the cover. Considering Flamery have got a lot of options, there is a cover for every single product. That's about it, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video of Flamery. If you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you're in the southwest of England, please call in where you can come and see our vast variety of Kamados, pizza ovens, smokers, Yeti, and our coffee. If you're not in the area, please go on to our website, shackgroup.co.uk. More importantly, in the Fire Shack section, you'll see all the prices for Flamery. If not, give us a call and we'll happily go through everything with you. Thanks again, guys.